Did you know there's a setting on the iPhone that can stop any unknown number from ringing your phone completely? It won't disturb you. You won't even know they called. Stay with me for 2 seconds and I'll show you the secret setting that keeps your iPhone safe from spam and strange calls. This feature is called Silence Unknown Callers, and it stops any number that's not saved in your contacts from ringing. The call goes straight to voicemail and appears in your recent calls list, but without any sound or notification steps. Open Settings. Apps. Scroll down to Phone. Turn on Silence Unknown Callers. From that moment, any number not in your contacts will never ring. Below it, you'll also find another option called Unknown Callers, under Call Filtering. Turn it on too if you want to organize these calls in a separate list called Unknown Callers List, so they don't get mixed with your regular calls. In short, silence unknown callers stops unknown calls from ringing. Unknown callers, call filtering, moves them to a separate section afterward. This feature doesn't affect people saved in your contacts or anyone you've called before. If the number has called you before, sent you a message, or appeared in Siri suggestions, it will ring as usual. If you're expecting an important call from a new number, like for work or delivery, be careful you can save the number temporarily. It works on all models from iPhone 8 up to the latest, as long as your system is iOS 14 or later. In the end, no more strange calls, spam, or scams bothering you. Try the setting yourself and tell me what you think in the comments. And if this video helped you, hit like and subscribe to the channel. I'll show you more iPhone secrets Apple never talks about. See you in the next video.